Hi, it's Todd Gross with a secret that is hiding, well, I guess you could say in plain sight. Do you want to know what it is? Well, chances are you are missing the most important piece of the puzzle when it comes to generating leads, selling products, or offering services to others online. Without it, you are literally killing your business. Can you guess what this secret is? Well, it's critical to your success, there's no doubt about that, no matter what products you sell, no matter which niche you are in. Did you guess it yet? And there's a problem with it too. It's very hard to get. But once you do, man, oh man, things can change in a positive way for you, just like it changed for me, just like that. The elusive piece most of us are missing is, drumroll please, authority. And we're going to help you get it. That's right. Think about it. When you have any amount of authority, you're seen as an expert in your niche. It's the difference maker for so many of us. You might have a great product, you may be the best at what you do, but if no one knows who you are, how could you expect them to listen to what you have to say or trust you with their name and email, much less buy something from you? So how can you build that trust and authority that's so needed to convince people to trust you to make an impact on your business? We have the solution, but so far, there's only been two ways. The first is with years of dedication, consistency, and success in your niche. You build up authority over time. This is how I did it with video marketing. Some would consider me as an authority in the space, but it didn't happen overnight. The second way is to know someone in your niche with authority already, an endorsement, so to speak. You know, the show Shark Tank actually pops into my head right here. The businesses that end up on that show get an instant boost in authority if the sharks like what they're hearing. Some business owners get on the show knowing that they're not even going to take a deal at all. They're going for the instant authority play. That's right. Well, you see how important it is. Sure you do, but what if you can do something like that? Keep listening, because let's be honest, how many of you have years to spare or know an established expert that could give you an instant endorsement to boost your authority? You just don't have the time and you don't have the connections. It's a major problem, literally the rock and the hard place that almost every single business owner finds themselves in. Every entrepreneur, every service provider, you all run into it. And they, of course, end up asking themselves, what can I do to establish myself in a way that my prospective clients will listen, share their information with me, and ultimately invest in what I have to offer? Well, what if I told you that my team has joined forces with one of the best authority builders in the business, period, to crack the code on how to establish authority in a completely new way, and get this, do it almost instantly on the spot, bam! That's exactly what we have done. We are authority builders for you. By combining a special type of video with a proven step-by-step process, you can instantly boost your authority in almost any niche and churn out high-quality leads eager to invest in what you have to offer. It is VideoLeadsMachine. It's the newest way to boost your authority and boost it fast. So what's it all about? Well, let's start with the amazing video part of it all. We have developed a video creation software called Authority Vids that produces a unique type of video with the purpose of doing one thing: to position you as the authority in almost any niche you desire. The entire idea was inspired by TED Talks. Believe it or not, this is like your own TED Talk, a mini one. You know, those short speaking engagements where someone you've never heard of gets on stage, they talk for a handful of minutes, leaving you completely amazed and ready to believe absolutely anything else they say. These speakers leave the stage with almost instant authority on whatever topic they talk about. Now you could tap into that TED Talk type video authority. Yes, with that in mind, we have developed an automated way to create these authority-grabbing videos, and the result is a perfect interview style, a mini TED Talk, so to speak, that positions you as the expert. It's so freaking easy. simply use one of our pre-made video template scripts and input the information you want to talk about. From there, you simply read the script or input it into any text-to-speech software to get your voice audio, or you can even record a video of yourself going through the pre-made script and upload that file so you can be on camera. It's your choice. The software compiles it all and it lays it out in a simple video editing timeline where you could, adjust the elements, add your text, image backgrounds, just like PowerPoint. It's all built in. Once it's ready, you render it. The software adds music, a professional introduction. It's kind of like the news, and it produces a professional mini TED Talk style video ready for syndication, which the software can do for you as well. That's right. It could syndicate for you too. Enter your social accounts and boom, your authority-grabbing video is out there for you. Now, the second part of VideoLeadsMachine is critical. In fact, you could consider it the most important part, making sure that your video is working for you to grab hot leads ready to invest in what you're offering. We don't just stop with the software here. We actually have the best ever to help you along. It's David Sprague. He's the authority building expert who will take you by the hand and show you step by step how to use these special videos to flip the switch and go from being an unknown to an authority for almost any niche, any product, or any service. Here's David right now to explain exactly how he does it.
Hey, I'm David Sprague, and I've helped hundreds of marketers build instant authority almost overnight and showed them how to leverage that authority to generate leads, but just not any type of lead. I'm talking about leads that are hot leads ready to buy. Now, if there's one ingredient I could give you right now to ignite your success, it would be to be able to generate high converting videos that position you as an authority in the marketplace and then generated leads for you 24/7. Now, do you know how easy it is for a Mark Cuban or a Grant Cardone or a TED Talk expert to generate new business and leads? It's easy because they're looked at as an expert in his authority in the marketplace. So here's what I've done. I put together a very special package of strategies called VideoLeadsMachine. It's a step-by-step course that's incredibly comprehensive in how to generate leads that want to buy from you, even if you've never even talked to that lead or prospect. In this special package, I'm giving away my proven scripts, my battle-tested strategies, and the secrets to everything you need to learn how to get leads faster than you ever thought possible. But I'm going to do more than just give you my proven copy and paste formulas for getting leads. My team and I aren't just going to create 1 or 3, we're going to create 5 videos that position you as an authority in the marketplace. Producing these types of videos would cost thousands of dollars, but for this very special offer, we're going to produce 5 custom videos that position you as an industry leader with your services and show you how to leverage these videos to generate leads on autopilot. Imagine just waking up tomorrow, having all the strategies and videos to position you as an authority and an expert in the marketplace. So it's easy for you to sell your services and easy for you to build trust and generate leads. Even if you've never sold before, or you don't have any clients, or you've been struggling to get leads, this offer is everything you need to be successful in today's online landscape. It's a once-in-a-lifetime offer, and I'm so excited to be working with you and show you everything I know to help you become an instant expert in your niche. I hope to see you inside the VideoLeadsMachine, where we're going to show you how to generate leads on autopilot to make you incredibly successful with your products and services.
Wow, he knows his stuff. I know firsthand that he's helped hundreds of new entrepreneurs attain success based on the very principles and strategies that he just went over. And what he's got for you in VideoLeadsMachine is no different. He is the real deal. So let's bring it all together. Here's what you get. With VideoLeadsMachine, you're going to get Authority Vids. That's that video software that produces the authority-grabbing mini TED Talk type videos positioning you as the authority. And secondly, you're going to get the very best from David himself, a step-by-step proven process that's been years in the making, where he takes you by the hand and shows you exactly what to do to go from a complete unknown to the authority in your niche in no time. Third, we've been talking about positioning yourself as an authority, but listen to this. How would you like to help other businesses gain authority and charge them a premium for your services? That's right, this offer also includes a commercial license. Use the Authority Vid software to create the powerful mini TED Talk videos to boost other businesses' authority. It's great! And then apply David's powerful lead generation strategies to really blow them away. It's complete freedom to use VideoLeadsMachine as a profit avenue for yourself while helping others gain the authority that they desperately need. And last but not least, and you'll see these below, we've also included some very valuable bonuses to immediately supercharge your VideoLeadsMachine. Now, I want to make sure that you understand what you're getting today is so extremely valuable in so many ways. What David is going to give you can be applied to any business, any topic, and any niche. The video software Authority Vids creates a completely different style of video that no other software creates. So even if you use it to create just one video, you'll have that unique video continuously working for you far into the future, helping to establish you as the expert. Now we're talking hundreds and hundreds of dollars in real value for each part of VideoLeadsMachine, and way more when you consider the ability to combine it as a system to conquer the most challenging problem that most everyone trying to succeed in any type of business has to overcome: to have the authority to get the quality leads ready to invest in what you have to offer. Just flip the switch to instant authority today with VideoLeadsMachine. It really works, and all for the low one-time price that you see farther down this page. We hope to see you on the inside of VideoLeadsMachine right away.
Welcome to VideoLeadsMachine behind the scenes and showing you how we make these amazing videos. Now inside VideoLeadsMachine, there's an entire course step-by-step teaching every single buyer how to position themselves as a marketplace leader and create the authority, create the expertise as if they were an industry expert or a celebrity in the actual industry. And these videos can actually pre-sell their products and services, so it makes it incredibly easy for them to sell any type of product or any type of service. Now, hopefully you've already seen one of these videos, and now we're going to show you our secret sauce and how we actually make them. So we're not just going to teach them how to do it, we're going to give them an exclusive software that does it automatically for them. So the first thing they're going to do is they're going to take a selfie and upload a headshot. So click browse, upload their selfie, and you can see here we've got this little outline. And if you put the outline just over your face, it's going to be perfect. And click crop, and you can see it already looks like they're being interviewed on a show. So next thing we're going to do is click create video, and then you can see everything that they put in here is going to show up on the right hand side. So you can see kind of a preview of what it's going to look like. So now they put all their information in, you click next, and what we've done is we're getting them the scripts that they need, and all they have to do is read the script and record the audio. Now once they've got the audio, it's simply going to upload the audio file, and it just takes a few seconds to upload. Once it uploads, what we're going to do is we're going to match the sound of the actual spokesmodel with them, so they can play it and listen to it and see if they need to increase the volume or not. And then they click edit file, and what's going to happen is we've got a built-in video editor for them, and we make it so easy because we've developed a process and a formula for creating these videos. And look at the formula. We show an expert image, then an industry image, then a tip 1, 2, 3 industry image, and then an expert image at the end. You cannot mess this up. So we simply ask them, hey, put an industry image in. So they go to images, they can go to the gallery, upload their own, or select one we've got from the gallery already. And then we've got dimmers and blurs, all kinds of cool effects, but then we put in tip number 1. And we can even put a background image for this tip. So if we want to go down, we want to search for wall, so put a cool wall in here. And then we can put our text in. So tip number 1, you can see on the right hand side, is to buy VideoLeadsMachine. Then we go to tip number 2. We do the exact same thing, but instead of putting just images, we can actually do video as well. So we put some cool video in the background, and we can actually select that. So now that we've selected it, it goes in the background here, and we can still do another tip. So tip number 2 is buy all the upsells. Then the tip number 3, the exact same thing. So you can see how easy this is. And then we're gonna put this all together, the intros, the outros, the spokesmodel, the music, all the cutting, all the effects, the primetime graphics and animation. So they're gonna do this, and then they click send to schedule, and then they're gonna schedule the video, and then it's actually can be connected to their Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and it's all syndicated. So they're gonna choose the time that they wanna do it and a date, and it's done. So they can do these videos over and over and over again. And this is another reason why they want to buy the unlimited OTO, because they can make these videos for all kinds of different niches, and they can SEO optimize them so they can rank, and they can also syndicate throughout social media. So Authority Vids is the perfect tool for creating these expert videos that position every single one of your buyers as an expert in the industry. And that's going to give them the confidence, the clarity to be able to go out and make money online. And that means you're going to make money with your products and services, the ones you're selling. They're going to make more money and come back and buy more products from you. So that's why we're so excited about VideoLeadsMachine, be able to create these amazing videos that position everybody as an expert and authority in the industry. And that's why your buyers are going to have so much success with it. That's why we believe this is going to make you a lot of money. So we can't wait to launch with you.